Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your projects on the CapCut. So in here, after you open the CapCut PC app, and you can start by opening your projects that you want to share. So let's say this is the project that I want to share. So if you want to share the project, you can just simply click on the share button at the top. This one's right here, share. So when you click on this, it will automatically export and then share the clip or the project. Here you can choose your space, the space that you want to save this project with, and also adjust the resolution, the format, and also the frame rate. If you are done, you can just click on this export and share button. Okay, I'm going to just it first, sorry. Let's try again. Click on export and share. So after you click on export and share, the video will be exporting first. Let's just wait until it finishes uploading. So after it has been successfully exported, you can just copy the link in here to share it. In here, you can adjust or change the access. You can choose between everyone, so anyone can open the link, or you can also set it only the member of the space can open the link. So just choose between these two. Here you can also edit the settings. You can allow others to download this project or not, or you can also allow them to can comment or not. After that, you can just click on save, and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the next. Bye.